Imagine looking so far into space that you're actually looking back in time, billions of years back, to the moment the universe was still forming its very first stars. But now, scientists have found something out there that should not exist. And if this discovery is correct, we may need to rewrite everything we thought we understood about the birth of the universe. Welcome to MindBlown Science. For decades, cosmologists believed the early universe followed a predictable pattern: a smooth expansion, simple physics, and galaxies forming slowly over hundreds of millions of years. But then, the James Webb Space Telescope started sending back images that left scientists completely stunned. Galaxies, far too massive, far too bright, appearing only 200 to 300 million years after the Big Bang. According to our best models, structures like these weren't supposed to exist for another billion years. Yet, here they are, fully formed galaxies, apparently breaking the laws of cosmic evolution. And that's just the beginning. The impossible galaxies. Astronomers call them impossible galaxies, because based on what we know, they should not have had enough time to gather this much mass. Imagine building a skyscraper during the first 30 seconds of its construction. That's how strange it is. These galaxies are too dense, too organized, too massive, and too old for the age of the universe they appear in. The question is simple, but kind of terrifying. How did the universe build something so complex, so fast? Either something about galaxy formation is completely wrong, or our understanding of the early universe is missing a massive piece of the puzzle. The CMB Cold Spot. The weirdness doesn't stop there. Deep in the cosmic microwave background, the oldest light in the universe, there is a region astronomers call the cold spot. A patch of sky colder than the surrounding radiation by an amount that defies probability. Some scientists argue it's just a statistical fluke. Others believe it's evidence of an enormous void, a cosmic region so empty it shouldn't naturally exist. And then there's the wildest theory of them all, that this cold spot may be a bruise left behind from a collision between our universe and another universe. If that's true, it changes everything. So this whole time, Marvel's multiverses could actually been a real thing. We just don't know. The edge of the universe is wrong. When we look toward the edge of the observable universe, we're not just seeing distance, we're seeing time. And now, scientists are finding patterns out there that break our most reliable theories. Gigantic cosmic structures, too large to form in the time available. Patterns in matter distribution that should not exist. And galaxies forming earlier than any model can explain. It's like reading the first chapter of a book, only to discover characters that shouldn't appear until chapter 5. Something is off, and the universe is trying to tell us what. New hypothesis. What could explain these impossible discoveries? Scientists are exploring several possibilities. 1. Early dark matter clumping. Maybe dark matter, which makes up most of the universe, formed dense pockets earlier than we thought, creating fast lanes for galaxy growth. 2. Modified gravity. Perhaps gravity behaved differently in the early universe, allowing matter to collapse into galaxies more quickly. Our equations work today, but maybe not at the beginning of time. Number 3. A universe older than we think. If the expansion rate is slightly different from what we calculate, the universe could be older, giving galaxies more time to form. Number 4. Or it's something entirely new. A new force, a new particle, a new phase of matter, a new cosmic rule, yet to be discovered. The truth is, we might be standing on the edge of a major scientific revolution. The cosmic mystery deepens. Every time we zoom deeper into space, the universe grows stronger. The first stars formed too early? The first galaxies too massive? The background radiation full of anomalies. And now we're seeing hints that the universe might be far more complex and far more mysterious than we ever imagined. The more we discover, the less the universe makes sense. And that's exactly why this moment in science is so exciting. If these discoveries continue, we may need to rewrite our textbooks, rethink our theories, and reshape our understanding of reality itself. Because somewhere far beyond the edge of what we can see, the universe is holding on to secrets we're only just beginning to uncover. Thanks for watching MindBlown Science. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and join me on the next journey into the unknown. Until next time.